You are not gonna believe this beautiful polish collection we have for you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you the new collection. All right, so right now we've got a full set of our full cover tips on Kira. So we're gonna go through and we're gonna prep these to get them ready for our new gel polish application. So to start with, all we're gonna do is go through and remove the shine. And I'm using our gorgeous new e-file. Okay, so to remove the shine, I'm actually gonna start with our diamond cuticle square bit. Now this is kind of an optional. You don't have to use the diamond bit, but I do like to use this right up around that cuticle area to really make sure I'm getting that bit tucked up into that cuticle and getting that tip nice and thin, nice and tapered down. And you can see there's a couple of little spots that I've got a little bit of that adhesive that squeezed out that back end. So this bit is really gonna help to clean that off. Okay, so once we've cleaned up that cuticle area, I'm gonna switch to my sanding band. Again, if you wanna just go right into your sanding band, you're welcome to do that as well. Either technique is gonna work just fine. At this point, I'm just gonna go through and gently remove the shine. Anytime you're applying a gel polish over the tips, you wanna make sure that you're removing the shine, because gel polish generally doesn't like to stick to that shiny surface. So I'm just feathering that bit all the way through the length, catching those edges, making sure I don't have any shine left. Okay, once we have the shine removed, we'll dust off those nails underneath if you need to. So I'm gonna take a little bit of our ManiQ Cleanser and just give those a quick cleanse. Again, making sure all the dust is cleaned off. And we've got a nice clean, dry surface to apply our gel polish. All right, so once our ManiQ Cleanser is dry, we're gonna go in with 1 coat of our protein bond. And this is gonna help to really adhere that gel polish to our tips. All right, so we're gonna start with just a nice thin application. And you'll notice when you take your brush out that the brush does have, just kind of press that down. You can see how that brush kind of rounds out at the end. That's gonna be great for working up by your cuticle area. So you can give that brush a quick little press down and then just bring that right up to the cuticle, tuck that right up in there, and your polish is gonna go right up to that cuticle. The polish is not gonna run. It's got a little bit of a thicker consistency, a little thicker viscosity, so it's not gonna run, it's not gonna flow down into that cuticle area. So you're gonna get those really nice cuticle applications and sidewall applications. Just gonna take a little bit more color. And you can see how rich the pigmentation is. It goes on super smooth, super easy, nice and even all the way through. Beautiful color all the way through. We'll go ahead and get that into the light, and you can freeze this for 30 seconds between coats, but do make sure that you give it a full 60-second cure all the way through. So we've set that first layer into place, and just notice how rich that color is. That pigmentation is so smooth, so consistent all the way through. Absolutely gorgeous. If you do need to do a second coat, some of the colors you can get away with just 1 coat of color, but if you do need to do a second coat, go ahead and apply a second. And you want to make sure that you are applying the coats nice and thin. That way you're not going to build up any bulk on the nail. And you don't need to apply thick coats, because like I said, they are going to be beautiful coverage all the way through. All right, one more time, we'll cure that in the light. That first color was more of kind of a cream color, beautiful rich color. Again, noticing that the polish itself matches the bottle, gorgeous. So that way you can tell what color you're choosing, your clients can tell what color you're choosing, and there's no guesswork. Now, we do have some other colors. We have some sheer colors. So I'm going to show you just a couple of these. One of my favorites is Apple Core, and I think this is probably a favorite here at Young Nails. We all absolutely love it. All right, so with our Apple Core, this one, you can see the bottle does look opaque. Now you guys, here's the thing. We can't make a sheer gel bottle. We can't make a gel bottle that light is gonna penetrate through. Otherwise, the gel will cure in the bottle. So it is an opaque bottle, but it is the color of the Apple Core. So let's go ahead and brush on a nice thin coat of the Apple Core. Apple Core you can definitely use by itself. You can use it to enhance your pink and whites, your French manicures. You can add it as another layer over other colors to kind of brighten other colors or change up the look of other colors. But just an absolutely beautiful sheer pink. We'll go ahead and get that into the light. So you can see with the apple core, it's not a ton of color, but it's just that beautiful brightness to it. So kind of a little bit of a blush to it. Now, if you like just the one coat, you can do one coat. If you want a little bit brighter, you can go ahead and do a second coat. It's still gonna stay sheer. You're still gonna have a nice translucent nail, but it's just gonna add that bright pink tint. All right, we'll go ahead and cure that one. So that was apple core, and again, apple core is completely see-through. You can definitely see it all the way through. So apple core is definitely completely sheer. Now we do have some other colors that are sheer with one coat or a little bit more opaque with a second coat, so they're really nice and versatile. So this one that I'm using is called Platonic. This one is absolutely one of my favorites for doing French manicures, because you can see that with one coat, it's going to be just kind of that creamy, perfect color for your French manicures. So a little bit sheer. And this is one of those colors that a lot of times with French manicures, they end up going on kind of streaky. With this one, you can see that as I polish that on, as it settles in, it loses that streakiness. So it goes really nice and smooth. So one coat is going to be a little bit more sheer, and then we'll go ahead and do a second coat, and you'll see how you can make it a little bit more opaque. First coat is going to be a little bit more sheer. With our second coat, we can get a little bit more opaque. Again, one coat is going to be great for those French manicure looks. If you want a couple of coats to have a little bit more of that classic nude look, absolutely gorgeous with two coats. And again, I like to kind of just let it settle out a little bit, and that way it's going to smooth out any streaky looks. All right, you guys, her nail is cured out. So I've showed you some solid colors. Let's get into a little bit of fun. So we do have glitter polishes. This one is horn section. So these glitters are absolutely gorgeous. Go ahead and brush that on. They go on super thin. They're not chunky or a lot of texture like a lot of glitter polishes that you find. So they're gonna go on nice and smooth. Again, same brush all the way back to that cuticle area. The bottles also match the glitter. So again, there's no guesswork when you're choosing a color. One coat, a little bit more sheer. If you want to add another coat, it's going to really build up that glitter. So let's go ahead and pop that in the light. So again, that first coat is cured out. If we want a little bit more of a bold glitter, a little bit more solid, we can go ahead and add our second coat. Get a little bit more full coverage with that glitter. Now the different glitters do vary. We have some that are a little bit larger pieces of glitter and some that are a little bit more small pieces like this, but gives you great variety for those art applications. So we've used our more cream colors, we've used our sheer colors, our sheer and our French manicures, our glitter looks. You guys, what about doing art? Yes, I'm gonna start this one with a coat of Wings and Bones. Now this one has a little bit of a pearl look to it. So I absolutely love this one. You could use this one just by itself for that pearl look. So you could use this one just by itself for that pearl look. Or today we're gonna incorporate this into just a quick little fall, winter kind of a design. And we're gonna use this as our base color. We'll cure that. All right, and then on top of this, we're gonna do just a quick hot chocolate look today. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Camp Purr. I'm gonna put a little bit of that onto our art tile. I'm gonna take a little bit of that same color that we used on our first nail, Hot Cave Freak. And this one is definitely gonna look like that hot chocolate. And then a little bit of our white for Nirvana. And again, you guys, if you're looking to do French manicures, this is a super bright, bold white. Also would go beautiful with that sheer pink nude. All right, so we've got our base color on there. I'm going to just grab my gel brush. I'm going to kind of scoop right along the edge of those, picking up all 3 colors. And I maybe even might go back the other direction as well. Pick up a little bit more of those colors. I'm going to set my brush onto the nail and just start to kind of flow that gel off of my brush right onto the nail. You can kind of pull your brush through, drag that through. I'm going to clean out my brush. We'll pick up a little bit more of each of those colors and drag those through. I think I want just a little bit more of the white, so maybe a little of the white and the dark right up through that edge. And if I need to, I can just gently pull my brush through, creating a little bit more of a swirl, a little bit more of a pattern. A little bit more of that hot chocolate look. Take just a little bit more of that dark right up top. And I think we'll just pull right through there. So again, you can do all kinds of different art and designs with these colors. Super pigmented, very rich. So you can see with these colors, just this one coat is going to give you that good coverage and good color. Take just a little bit more of that dark right up in here and pull through. All right, we'll go ahead and cure that. So our nails are cured out, but we're gonna go ahead and top coat them. So the top coat is the one with the blue top, and we also have our base coat in the pink top. Now, we did not use the base coat on our tips here today. When you're working over the enhancements, whether it's a tip, whether it's an acrylic or hard gel, if you're working over that, you don't need to use the base coat. If you're doing your gel manicures on just a natural nail, then you would start with a coat of the base coat. So I'm going to go ahead and do our top coat on all 5 nails. We will fully cure this for 60 seconds. And once this is cured, this is a tack-free top coat. So you're not going to have to worry about cleansing off any tacky finish or anything like that. So nice, thin, even coats all the way through. The consistency of this product is absolutely amazing. It's not thin, so it's not going to run. But it's also not so thick that it's going to add bulk. It's somewhere right in the middle, but it's an amazing consistency. It's going to go on super smooth, super even, nice thin application, and leave you with a super high shine finish. All right, we are going to fully cure this now for a full 60 seconds. So our nails are fully cured out. So as you can see, we have some beautiful colors for you. We've got those rich cream colors, we've got the glitters, we've got the sheers, we've got the base and the top coat, that tack-free finish. You're gonna love it. The mystery box is gonna start off, you're gonna get the base and the top coat, and then you get to choose any 12 colors. You get to choose your favorites. If you like the sheers, you can get the sheers. If you like more nude colors or creams or glitters, totally up to you. You get to choose 12 different colors. Now, if it were me buying these, I would say get 4 different mystery boxes because you're going to get almost all of the colors and you're going to get those base and top coat in every mystery box. So don't miss out.